Hey guys, I'm pumped, I'm excited, I'm geeked, whatever else they say. But I'm pretty excited about this. R&L Carriers just dropped something off for me. Something that comes on a pallet. Something that is gonna make that vehicle move. So pretty excited, man. I didn't expect it to get here this early, and I actually did not intend to buy an engine, but I got a really good deal on an engine with questionably high miles, since I have a vehicle with verifiably very high miles. Peanut butter meet jelly, or vice versa, however you want to do it. So I'm going to have to bring my engine hoist over here, lift this up, put it on a, then put it on a dolly, then roll it into the garage. I'd park these vehicles in a way that would allow it to kind of pass through, but then I have to pull out my tape measure to verify that yes, indeed, it's going to be able to pass through. So we'll see. But yeah, it is. I have quite an afternoon pack for me. So what I'm going to do is start cutting things and looking inside. It's actually very well packed. And then they also said fragile. Do not stack anything on top of it. Pretty good care. I've received quite a, or rather I've had so many things shipped through R&L Carriers, and pretty good company, professional for what they do, so really appreciate it. And the driver I talked to was a really great guy too. Sam is his name. So all right, let me put this away. We'll pull the camera out next time when we have an engine to show. Okay. Interesting trigger setup. I was just quiet, just taking it in. What did they cut over here? Anyway, oh yeah, that's damage. Great. Be careful taking that out, because we can't reuse that one. Or maybe the other one can be reused. No, different numbers. Okay. This is the VTC, right? We also have something for the exhaust system, if I remember correctly. This is it. Wait a minute. No, we have VTC for the exhaust and intake cam. Then you have VVEL. So right here. It's in the back. I think the one for the trucks might be located somewhere else. I don't know. So how do they hoist this thing? Bolt here. Okay. Oh, oil. Lots of oil. Then this other one went over here around this bracket. Okay, well, good enough. I've shown in a different experiment that the belts are really strong, but I have a chain for this purpose. And lucky me, I actually have the proper lifting brackets for this engine. But I'm gonna see if my design works here as well. The ones I designed for the VK45DE. What's this stuff? Yeah, man. Oh man, good. Pulled it all the way from the inside. This is nice, y'all. This is really good. Did they break this? No. Oh yeah, kinda. One of them. But it can be replaced, I think. Yeah, it is broken. 2 out of 3, not too bad. This is good. I'm happy. I'll tell you. Maybe I don't have too much experience with the VK56 VD engines, but I think what we have in front of us is an engine that's not as old as the mileage that I thought it was, almost 270K. Okay, I have to hold the camera as close and as carefully as I can. The question is it tight? Well, yeah, definitely. Look at the little alley I created just because I didn't want to move this car all over. I knew I would make it. So right now, because I'm not holding any of these tubes and stuff, they're in contact or almost in contact with the body of the M. Nothing touched it at all. Here, as you can see, there's a little more clearance. Just hold this out of the way and I'm able to push it. Same thing with the engine hoist. So just wanted to show it's a little bit of an adventure bringing this thing in, but I am pretty pleased. Do you guys notice something here? If you've been watching my videos for a while, you notice something familiar? Well, I'll talk about it. Let me get it inside the garage first, then I'll show it just a little more detail. Hey, this is a VK56 VD engine, and brought it into the garage finally. But I'm just curious. I'd like to weigh it because some of my boxes or my storage areas were built with certain weights in mind. Take a guess. What do you think this is going to be? Does it turn on when you just... No, I guess not. On. Okay, that's 0. Very light. Okay, great. That was just my hand. I just want to make sure this thing was still functional. Okay, we're getting somewhere. 5 pounds as is right now. Okay, up we go. Still got some weight on the... Okay. It's now turning and swinging. Still, it's not fully free yet. 516.3 is what I see it hanging on, you know, for the most part, no matter how much higher I'm lifting it up. So there's the answer, 516.5 as is. No accessories attached to it at the moment. No power steering, alternator. What else? AC compressor. None of that. 516. That's the weight of VK56 VD. Now we know. Okay. On to the other parts. Well, before I keep going, do you notice something, guys? This is what I was trying to talk about earlier. These are the brackets I made for the VK45DE. And just like the other engine, on the right bank, it sits flush. No spacing needed. However, this one is even worse on the left bank, bank 1. You need to space it out with 2. I use 2 washers here, 2 pretty thick washers, right? Just because I had to clearance this part of the timing cover. 2 washers. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna set this engine on my workbench over there for a while. I'll put the cover back on and then, you know, just set it on there. There are a lot of engine projects going on. I first just have to clean up, you know, then I'll get back to work. Okay, that's it. Till later, my friends.